Hey guys, this is your trainer Anirudh Chhillar. So I'm back with another video of EIGRP. I hope you're learning in a good way and in good pace. Let's go.
So routing is done in this topology now. There should not be any problem for you. Now let's start route map. See here in routing and switching, you will be using this route map for multiple purposes. Like in BGP, you cannot perform anything without using route map. Although it is also useful in case of EIGRP as well as OSPF. It's not like that here we are not going to use this route map, because there are some tasks that can be done with the help of route map only in EIGRP as well as OSPF. So it's not like that we will be using route map in BGP only. No, we will also use this route map in EIGRP as well as OSPF. Fine. Actually, if you talk about the route map, in route map we have a lot of specifications. Like we can perform route filtering, or you can say we can perform more granular route filtering with using route maps. However, in route map also you are having only two types of statement, either permit or deny. Same as ACL, because in the statement of ACL also you will specify either deny or permit. Are you getting my point or not? So inside route map you will be defining either permit or deny only. So let's start it now. If you say route map, let's say its name is Cisco, and you press enter. If you do not specify either deny or permit, then remember that automatically this device will allocate its sequence number as 10 and operation will be permit. I can show you here. Show run pipe section route map. Let me show you that by default it will allocate its sequence number 10 as well as your statement will be permit. This is the default operation of route map. If you want to modify it, in place of permit you want to specify deny, then you can also achieve it like route map Cisco deny, and sequence number will be same. Are you getting my point or not? So this time in place of permit it will become deny. Show running config set pipe section, check again your route map. So in place of permit, this time it will be deny. If you want to make it permit once again, you can say route map Cisco permit. If you press enter, you will see that in this, I mean, even I didn't specify its sequence number, but again it will replace the existing one. It will replace existing operation like show run pipe section route map. Is not it? So in this way you can create route map. Fine. This time it is permit, and you know, if he wants to filter routes, so we will say deny. If he wants to permit your route, then you will always say permit. Fine. Now let me show you that how can you create route map to perform route filtering. Like for an example, this time say no route map. First of all, let's remove it and show IP route. Check your router's routing table. I mean, we are on switch 4 and it is receiving all prefixes coming from its neighbor, right? Now let's say that I want to filter all those prefixes which are coming with metric 2349056. Are you getting a point? I want to filter only those prefixes which are coming with metric 2349056. So you can achieve it with using route map. Like route map name is like you can allocate any name. Like for an example, you allocate it CCIE and then you said deny, because I want to deny them. So I have said deny and I have allocated its sequence number as 10. However, it will also pick its sequence number as 10 automatically as well. But I'm allocating its sequence number manually now, right? So I have set its sequence number as 10, and now you have to match your metric. I mean, you have to tell to this statement of this route map that which route should be denied. So for that purpose you have to match your statement. I mean you have to match some credentials here so that this route map can take decision accordingly. So you have to say match matrix, because I want it to filter all those prefixes which are coming with this matrix. So I will simply copy and paste here. Now what will happen, that if any route is trying to get installed in my router's routing table with this matrix, it will be denied by this route map, right? Now because we have said okay, it is denied, whatever, I mean all those prefixes will get denied which will come with matrix 23490 sorry 2349056. Now if it receives, I mean if your router receives any other route, any other prefix which do not have this matrix, by default you do not have any other statement. Do you have like ACL? Of course in ACL also, if you have denied something then you have to permit all others, otherwise all others will be implicit denied. In case of route map 2, if you have denied something and then if you have not permitted anyone, then again they will be implicit denied. Remember, if your prefix do not match with any statement, then also it will be implicit denied. Remember, whatever you have denied, it will be denied, definitely it will be denied because you have denied it, right? And if you have permitted something, then it will be permitted. But if anything do not match with any one of these statement, either deny or permit, it will also be implicit denied. Remember, whatever you have denied will be denied, whatever you have permitted will be permitted, but whatever will not match with any one of these statement will also be implicit denied. That is the rule for ACLs as well as route map. Now because we have given this statement deny, we have not given any other statement to permit all others, right? So you have to give another statement as well, route map CCIE, say permit. And if you do not specify your sequence number here, then it will overwrite the existing one. It will overwrite the existing one, right? But if it overrides the existing one, entire configuration will be faulty, is not it? So we do not want to permit all those prefixes which are coming with this matrix, right? Like 2349056. I want to permit only those prefixes which are not coming with this matrix actually. So I'll say route map CCIE permit and the higher sequence number than 10. If you put lower sequence than 10, then definitely again there will be problem, right? So at the time of allocation, at the time of allocating sequence number to the statement of your route map, make sure that you are allocating your sequence number to your statement of the route map in proper manner, in a sequence. So this time you can take any sequence number higher than 10, 11, 12, 20, whatever it is, right? In route map it does not allocate, I mean router do not allocate sequence number to each statement of route map automatically. So for each statement of the route map you have to allocate their sequence numbers manually. So this time I'll say permit, let's say you said 11, and if you do not match anything, remember if you have matched anything under route map, are you getting my point? If you have given match command under route map, it means it will match only accordingly, whatever you match, right? Like you said, match this matrix, so it will match this matrix only, it will not match anything else. But if you do not match, I mean if you do not put any match command under any statement of the route map, it means by default match all. By default the operation will be match all. So here I'm not going to specify anything, so by default in this statement of the route map there will be match all. However, if you see the running configuration here, show running config, let me show you, you won't be able to see that okay it is saying that match all, but you see it's not it. It is not showing me in running config that there is match all, but by default its function is match all if you have not matched anything. But remember, this match all will work in that case only when you have not given any match command under the statement of your route map, under route map statement. Have you understood it or not? Just like here, you have already said match metric this, it means it will match this metric only now. It will not match anything else. So it will match this metric only. Understood? Next. Now you have to apply this route map. Till now you just created this route map, but you have not applied it yet. So to apply this route map here in EIGRP, say router EIGRP is what? 100. Then say distribute. And in distribute list you can call your route map. Route map name was? Now all these prefixes were incoming prefixes or outgoing prefixes? For switch 4, because it was receiving. Hey, this switch 4 is receiving them, so of course your direction must be in, because you want to filter inbound in incoming routes. If you want to filter incoming routes, then your direction must be in. If you want to filter outgoing prefixes, then your direction must be out. But this time it will be applied on all interfaces. If you wanted to apply it only on FA0 by 0, then you can say FA0 by 0. So it will be applicable, it will be applied only on this interface now. Understood or not? Fine. Show IP protocol. So you can see that on all interfaces now there is a route map with the name of CCIE has been applied. Then check it out, show IP route. Some of the prefixes are missing due to their metric. Hello. 1, 2 is not, 1 is there, 2 is not there, 3 is not there, 4 is not there. Have you understood it or not?
Yes, sir.
Fine. And I also taught you that in EIGRP you can also perform route filtering in outbound direction as well. Like if you perform this route filtering on R5 in its outbound direction in the direction of switch 2, then of course R5 will not advertise these prefixes in the direction of switch 2. And if switch 2 do not have those prefixes inside its own routing table, then how will it be possible for switch 2 to send those prefixes information in the direction of switch 4? Understood? So here, because EIGRP is a distance vector routing protocol, so of course it will advertise only and only best routes information towards their neighbors. That's it. So in this way you can create route map. This was simply, a demo of route map. With using route map we can perform a lot of things, and we are going to perform all those things now. Let's move again back on switch 4. Route map router EIGRP 100. Just remove this distribute list from here now and say no route map. Any problem? Now let's move on R5, or we can move on switch 2 as well. This time let's apply it on switch 2, right? So on switch 2 we are receiving some prefixes here, and all prefixes are there. So it's not like that you can match your specific metric only, even you can match your range of metric as well. You can also match range of metric. Are you getting a point or not? Like for an example, if your task is something like this, that you have to filter all those prefixes which are coming with metric in between 100 to 200. If you got this task, like you have to filter all those prefixes which are having their metric in between 100 to 200. You have to filter all those prefixes. So it's very simple to achieve this task with the help of route map. Like first of all, calculate the difference in between these two values. So what is the difference in between these two values? 200 minus 100, it will become 100, and divided it by 2, and it will become now 50. And then add this output into your lower value, which is 100. So 100 plus 50 it will become, and then you can say plus minus 50. So if you are saying 150 plus minus 50, what is the meaning of it? If you are saying 150 plus minus 50, it means your range has been achieved 100 to 200, because If you reduce 50 out from 150, it means it will become 100, and if you increment, if you perform increment, if you do some increment like 50 into 150, it will become 200. So I hope that you have understood that how to calculate the range.
Yes.
Like for an example, if there is someone said that okay, you have to filter all those prefixes which are coming with metric in between 20 to 30. So first of all, your responsibility will be to calculate the difference in between these two values. 30 minus 20 is 10 divided by, now divided by 2,
5.
so it will become 5. So calculate, now you have calculated this value, now add this value into your lowest given value, so it will become, and plus minus also 5. So it means that you have achieved this range. So in this way you can perform this type of filtering, right? Now do one thing, move on switch 2, and here you can take some decisions, or you can perform something. Like I want to filter all those prefixes which are coming in between 2, 1, 9, 5, 4, 5, 6. Are you getting my point? I want to filter all those prefixes which are coming with metric in between 2, 1, 4, 2, 1, 9, 5, 4, 5, 6, 2, 2, 2, 4, 6, 6, 5, 6. Hello. I want to filter all those prefixes which are having metric in between 2, 1, 9, 5, 4, 5, 6, 2, 2, 2, 4, 6, 6, 5, 6. I want to filter all those prefixes which are coming with this metric. Any problem? Have you understood or not my task?
Yes.
So in this way also you can perform route filtering with using route map. And now first of all, what is your responsibility? Calculate the difference in between these two values. So do one thing, use calculator and say 2195 2195 456, but first of all you have to take higher value, right? So higher value is what? 22, 46656 minus 2195 456 is 51200. Divide it by 2. So divide it by 2. 25600. 25600, you can write it down somewhere. Let me type it. 2. Fine. And then do one thing. Hello guys. Do one thing. Add this value into your least value, which was, yes, so say plus 2195456. So this is your value, 2221056, right? Now do one thing, create route map. Name is filter 2195 456 _2. It's a name. Hey guys, you can, it will be good for you to allocate its name as per your operation, so that you can easily identify then further this route map, that okay, you are using this route map for this operation, for this purpose. 46656. Fine. And then you can say deny, because you want to deny them, right?
Yeah.
Sequence number you can also take 1. It's not always mandatory to take 10. By default it will be 10, right? Then say match metric, which is 2221056 2221056 plus minus 25600. Is not it? Because that was the difference actually, 25600. And then you have to allow all others. You have to allow all others. So for the same route map, For the same route map, give another statement, permit, with higher sequence number like 11. Remember that if you have given this permit statement with the sequence number lower than 11, sorry, lower than 10, like 9, 8, what will happen? First of all, it will match with this statement because this statement is having lower sequence number, and by default it is permit, and by default match is all, because I'm not matching anything here. So by default match all operation will be there. So nothing will be denied. Nothing will be denied. Everything will be permitted, because whenever prefix will come, it will match with that statement which is having lower sequence number, and it is saying match all and permit all. Now go to router EIGRP 100, say distribute list route map, and then route map name was, you can copy and paste, and then in or out. So all these prefixes were incoming prefixes. So I have applied it for incoming updates. Once you will apply it for incoming updates, you will come to know that it will filter all those prefixes which were coming with that metric which is in between those two values. You see, some of the prefixes have gone away. What happened? क्या हुआ भाई? हम बातें मत करो बस. हाँ, डिस्कशन बाद में, क्लास के बाद. We have 22 hours for discussion. Fine. So in this way also you can perform route filtering with using route map. Not only with using these two things, I will also teach you some other things as well. Let me show you. Once again, I will move there inside EIGRP router mode, and I will remove this distribute list, and also I will remove this route map. Removed. Any problem? Fine. Inside route map itself, you can use ACLs as well as prefix list. Inside route map itself, you can use either ACL or prefix list in this manner. Like for an example, I'm again on switch 4, and this time again it must have all prefixes. All prefixes are available, isn't it? Now I want to filter first 7 prefixes in range of 150's network. Are you getting a point? First 7 prefixes in the range of 150's network. So I can use prefix list along with route map in this manner. Check it out. IP prefix list, CCIE permit. Inside prefix list I will say permit, and now permit all those to whom you want to filter out. 150.1.0.0/ greater than equal to, less than equal to. That's the only statement that you will require to give inside prefix list. You have permitted, you have allowed, you have matched. Actually here I'm going to use this prefix list just to match your prefixes. So I have matched all those prefixes, and remember, if you want to match any prefix, then you can match your prefix with using permit statement only. Remember, if you simply want to match your prefix, if you simply want to match your routes, then you cannot give deny statement. You have to give only and only permit statement. With using permit statement only, you can match your prefixes. So I have matched all those prefixes with using this statement now, and then create route map with the name of deny underscore 150. Say deny statement, or do one thing, let's take its name as CCIE itself. Say deny statement, and then sequence number is what? Let's say this time I have taken 1. Are you getting my point? Yeah. I have taken 1, and then say match IP address prefix list. Now match your prefix list here, and its name was CCIE. Even route map name was also CCIE. So it does not it does not a matter actually. It's not a matter. It does not create any difference here. If you take your prefix list name and route map name as same name, then it will never create any problem in future too, because route map is different thing and prefix list is different thing. So this time what you said that you have permitted some prefixes, not actually permitted, you said you are matching these prefixes, right? You have matched your prefixes with using this prefix list, and finally you have denied those prefixes with this statement, because in this statement of this route map you have called your prefix list. So basically here there are two things, prefix list and route map, and the operation of those two things are also different from each other. Like prefix list, you are simply using this prefix list just to match your prefixes, and you are using this route map just to take an action. So route map is simply responsible to take an action, whereas this prefix list is being in use just to match your prefixes. That's the only uses of this prefix list here. Then again, because there will be some prefixes which will not match with this prefix list, because with this prefix list only 7 prefixes from the 150 subnets from the 150's network will match. So all those will be denied due to route map. Are you getting my point or not?
Yes.
Due to route map, all those prefixes will be denied which will match with this prefix list. But there will be some other prefixes too which will not match with this statement of this prefix list. What will happen with them? They will be implicitly denied, because they will not match with any statement of the route map as well as this prefix list, right? So if they do not match, I mean, as I said earlier on, that if there is anything which do not match with any single statement, then that will be implicit denied. So once again you have to give another statement of the same route map, say permit, and with the statement, I mean with sequence number 2, which is higher than 1. So first of all, prefixes will be matched with that statement of that route map which is having lower sequence number. Hello?
Yes.
Router EIGRP 100 distribute list, route map name is CCIE, in which direction? In, once again, because all these prefixes are still incoming prefixes, incoming updates, right? That's why we have applied this distribute list incoming for incoming updates only. So you see 1 to 7,
Yeah.
and all others are permitted. So if someone have configured this route map in this manner, show run pipe section route map, let me show you. This time we are having 2 statements. I will remove this one, permit. So this time all others must also be denied. So you will not be able to get anything here in the routing table of switch 4. Just wait for a moment.
Yeah.
Because whatever will match with that prefix list will be denied, and whatever will not match will also be implicit denied. Once you will give this statement, again all routes will be present in your router's routing table. So in T-shoot, actually over there they can inject this type of problem. Not only in T-shoot, even in live networks also you can have this kind of problem. Tell me. So I hope that now you have understood that how can we use prefix list along with route map. In same manner you can also use a standard ACL. So I don't think so that it will be required for me to go for the configuration of standard ACLs with route map. I hope that you people can easily do that. That how can we use standard ACLs along with route maps. So I'm leaving it on you. So you will perform it by yourself, and if it is not possible, please then ask me, right? In next class I can teach you that, okay, how can we use this standard ACL along with route map. But this time I'm just leaving it because all of you are aware with the standard ACL, and also all of you are aware that how to call your standard ACL under route map. router EIGRP 100. Now remove the distribute list from here and also remove this route map.
So that's the end of today's video, guys. So we'll be coming back with few more videos of EIGRP. I hope you learned something new today. So if you like this video, please subscribe my channel. That's @ARC_tutorial. Thank you so much, guys. See you later.